It's such a nice morning. Scotty, what are we doing?
We're having coffee this morning
Yard
and
coffee.
relaxing.
Yes. A little yard coffee this morning before we officially clock in, because it's Friday. Usually we have a later start on Friday.
Yeah.
We're usually not even here. Usually we're quick, but they're traveling, so we're here. So we're enjoying the beautiful view from the yard in lawn chairs.
Well, mine's more of a camping
Yours is
chair.
more of a camp chair. Mine's the chair my mom uses when she's here because she's old and needs to sit. And the couch is too far. But look at this. Coffee.
Yeah, but you know what? I mean,
Scotty.
with as much as we work and the amount of hours that we put in every single week, I was doing this every morning. Every single morning, didn't matter. I'd come in, I'd get here early, sun's up, whatever, and just relax.
Breathe a minute.
To quote a very good movie that I love, Bueller. If you don't stop and smell the roses, yeah. You have to relax. You have to take that time to just go.
Exactly.
And recharge your batteries, even if it is just a little bit here, a little bit there. I mean, look at that view. I know a lot of people that watch our channel and pay attention to the work stuff have been here their whole lives.
Yeah.
I wasn't born here. I was born where the city that never sleeps.
And snows a lot.
Yes, a lot. Like 15, 20-foot high snow drifts. Negative 51 is the coldest I've ever been in.
No thanks. Definitely not. How about we don't?
Look at this. I mean, this is beautiful.
And we got the sun getting ready to come up over that side.
I'm actually gonna have to go grab a friggin' jacket.
Scotty's
It's cold this morning.
I think it's nice. Anyway,
It's beautiful, but it's cold.
this is good. We need this because God, we get a lot of stressful stuff going on.
Yep.
And nobody gets it. Like, oh, yeah, working on cars. Cars that have sometimes impossible to find parts, or we have to make stuff for, or it's got this from this and this from this, and I got to make it work. And
Yep.
why does it take so long to get my car? Come on over. Why don't you work on it?
This is why.
Yeah. I mean, would you rather us take like 20 minutes sitting here and chilling? Or would you rather we climb up there and jump off? I mean, seriously.
If there's a trampoline down here, I'll jump.
You're trampolina.
No, not all the time.
Okay. And with that, enjoy the beautiful view.